Are you stuck in the traffic because of rain? Here's what you're missing. Ever been stuck for hours in traffic just because it rained heavily? Or watch your street turn into a river after a 30-minute downpour? Or haven't you watched those news reels where it said Bangalore has been flooding and boats have come on the roads and Chennai has been flooding and Mumbai has been flooding? All this happens not because the drainage is bad, but it's because rainwater has not been managed well. Yes, we do not have a stormwater runoff drains or system to collect stormwater runoff. Why do our roads flood so easily? As I said, it's because the rainwater has nowhere to soak into the ground. Our cities today are covered totally with concrete, be it the buildings, the roads, or the parking lots. So, what happens? All the water that rains rushes into the narrow drains that can't handle the road. The drains get clogged with the garbage, and the roads flood, traffic stops, and we all suffer. Stormwater runoff is not a singular problem but a double problem indeed. The irony is that while our cities drown during rains, our groundwater keeps depleting because hardly any rain percolates down to recharge it. So we face water scarcity in summers, pay huge bills for water tankers, and watch our borewells dry up. So, what is the solution? It's actually pretty straightforward. Catch the rain where it falls. With rainwater harvesting, we can direct water into the recharge pit so it seeps underground, store it in tanks for gardening, cleaning, or flushing, or other purposes, reduce the load on street drains so the roads don't flood as easily. Imagine if every building in your city had recharge pits. Due to a heavy rain, instead of storm water racing onto the roads, it would quietly soak into the ground. Less surface runoff is nothing but less waterlogging, and that is smoother traffic. Plus, you recharge groundwater, reduce tanker dependence, and save money. So, what can you do? If you live in an apartment complex, talk to your association. If you live in a house, build a simple recharge pit or a rooftop harvesting setup. Start petitioning to your local government to make rainwater harvesting mandatory. So, next time you're stuck in a waterlogged street, remember it's just not the poor drainage, but because we let the precious rainwater become a waste instead of guiding it back to the ground. Let's fix this one building, one community at a time. What were the government initiatives in this area? In the 80s and 90s, there were early pilot projects in India, in Tamil Nadu, Rajasthan, and Andhra Pradesh, where the water scarcity grew, and the governments did implement some schemes to revive traditional tanks and ponds. In the 90s, it was Chandrababu Naidu in Andhra Pradesh who pioneered into this, and in 2001, it was Tamil Nadu CM J. Jayalalitha who was highly successful in trying to revive the groundwater levels noticeably in few years. And in 2002 and 2003, there was a national level push by the Central Groundwater Authority, which issued guidelines recommending rainwater harvesting for urban areas where groundwater was depleting. And 2005 onwards, there were urban local body bylaws where many cities like Delhi, Bengaluru, Hyderabad, Pune made rainwater harvesting mandatory through building bylaws. Municipal corporations linked approvals for new buildings to having rainwater harvesting structures. And in 2015 and 20, Jal Shakti initiatives, the Ministry of Jal Shakti launched schemes like Jal Kranti Abhiyan, Atal Bhujal Yojana, and Jal Shakti Abhiyan that strongly promoted local rainwater harvesting to recharge the groundwater. And 2020 onwards, it was Amrit and Smart Cities mission which drove rainwater harvesting as a major component of urban water management under Amrit. Did you know that there is a dedicated rainwater harvesting theme park in Bengaluru, Jayanagar, and it is named after Sir M. Visvesvaraya? It's India's first theme park dedicated solely to rainwater harvesting, established in March 2011 by BWSSB and KSCST in about 1.5 acres. This park was designed to raise awareness about water conservation and demonstrate practical rainwater harvesting solutions for both homes and public spaces. What are you going to see here? There are key attractions, about 26 live rainwater harvesting models, themed galleries, interactive slots and displays, landscape and plant exhibits, and an auditorium that can seat up to 70 to 150 screens. There is also a training hub which includes rainwater harvesting help desk network at KSCST, which provides hands-on training for architects, engineers, plumbers, plus school and college visits. This education and training hub plays a key role in raising rainwater harvesting compliance. In a world where every drop counts, rainwater harvesting isn't just a solution. It is everyone's responsibility. Whether it's for our home, community, or for our future generations, the water that we save today can make a big difference tomorrow. It's not about doing big things, but it's about doing the right things. So start now. Harvest rain, save water, and secure the future. For more such informative videos about sustainability, do follow Go Greenism. Like, share, and subscribe our channel. We'll be back with another interesting video next week. Until then, go green. Thank you.